Hey there, and welcome back to my health. If you love garlic as much as I do, you probably know how powerful it is for your health. But here's the thing, are you eating it the right way? Garlic is amazing, but there are a few common mistakes that can actually reduce its benefits, or worse, make it hard on your body. Stick with me, and I'll show you the 6 big mistakes you need to avoid with garlic. Trust me, your health will thank you. First mistake, chopping garlic and cooking it right away. Here's why that's a problem. Garlic needs time to activate its main health-boosting compound, allicin. Allicin is what gives garlic its superpowers, but it only forms after garlic has been crushed or chopped. Let your garlic sit for at least 10 minutes before cooking. This gives it time to release all those powerful compounds. Garlic is great, but more isn't always better. If you add too much, it can upset your stomach or even cause heartburn. Plus, it might overpower your dish. Stick to 1 or 2 cloves per meal, it's enough to get the benefits without the side effects. Fresh garlic is way more powerful than garlic powder. Sure, powder is convenient, but it loses a lot of its nutrients during processing. If you want the full health benefits, like boosting your immune system or supporting heart health, go for fresh garlic every time. Raw garlic is strong, and eating it on an empty stomach can really irritate your stomach lining. If you want to eat raw garlic, which is super healthy, pair it with some food, like toast or a meal. That way, you get the benefits without the discomfort. We've all been there, garlic breath. Don't let it stop you from enjoying this superfood. After eating garlic, chew on parsley, mint, or even a slice of apple. These natural remedies help neutralize the sulfur compounds that cause bad breath. Don't store garlic in the fridge. Cold, damp conditions make garlic sprout, and it loses its flavor and nutrients. Instead, keep it in a cool, dry place, like a pantry, with good airflow. This keeps your garlic fresh for weeks. So, there you have it, the 6 mistakes you should never make with garlic. Let it rest after chopping, don't overdo it, and store it the right way. Which mistake surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Hit that subscribe button for more health tips, and I'll see you next time. Stay healthy and take care.